Welcome, welcome, welcome. The things I am going to declutter and the things that I have used up. Now, declutter. Coconut Oil Daily Shampoo by Shea Moisture. It is right here. Even though it looked like it's frosted up, it was upside down. Right here. I try using this. It just ain't working for my hair. Like I said, I think they changed the formula because I love these a lot. Not anymore. The next declutter is Deep Moisture Conditioner and Daily Hydration Conditioner by Shea Moisture. I just cannot use them anymore. I really tried. Really tried. It ain't working. I gave up on this. These are declutters. The hair stuff that I've used and love and will repurchase, here it comes. Amika Superfruit Star Lightweight Hairstyling Oil. Done. Love this product. I will repurchase. Camille Rose Algae Renew Deep Conditioning Mask. Cocoa and Mango Butter. I will repurchase this. Love this. I use a mask once a month. The next one is Pantene Pro V Miracle Rescue Split End Repair Serum. That I love putting in my hair. I put it in my hair when it's damp and I put it on the ends. Body care, I only have one and it's called Dahlia by Bath and Body Works Body Lotion. Old school. Smells good. If you see this when they have their 75% off, they always bring back a lot of the old school. This is something you should try. In my skincare makeup section, my Garnier all-in-one micellar cleansing water, the original pink one. Finished, but I have two backups. So I already started one and I have another one sitting there. Whenever they have a sale, buy one, get one for either 40% or 50% off, I stack up on these. These do a fabulous job. My makeup remover wipe, pure and gentle. I always get this at Walmart. Love it. I have 5 in stock in my house right now. I have 5 of these. Love this. What I do, I go in and I will take my makeup off with this. And when I finish, I go over it with this. And then I cleanse twice. Everything on my face comes out nice. I have 2 more skincare items. The Ordinary Multi-Peptide Eye Serum. Love this. I take this and I put under my eye and on top of my eye. Love this. I have 2 other eye creams, so I will not repurchase, but this will be a repurchase in the near future. The eye cream from Sephora, I thought would never finish because you only need a little bit. So I have this for a while. And it is a Sephora Lift and Firm Soothing and Firming Eye Cream Peptide Hyaluronic Acid Plus with peptides plus hyaluronic acid. Done. I don't know if it did a difference, but I love using it because it has this little, let me see if I can scrape. Yep, I can scrape. It has this little sparkly thing when you put it on. I don't know if you can see it. When you put it on, it makes under the eyes bright. Not the cream itself, but the little speckles. They have little speckles. They look like little pinkish speckles. And when you put it under the eye, it just makes it so nice and bright. So I did that. Lift and Firm, I don't know. I still have my wrinkles. Now in the perfume section, my paper perfumes, which I love. so much, so much is Jimmy Choo for Men Extreme. I tried it. It smells good. And the other one is the Jimmy Choo I Want You La Parfum for women. I tried it. Women's side, men's side. You know I'm trying it. It's in a paper form. It doesn't matter. The next one is the Kate Spade New York Pop. And there are two of them. One is Kate Spade New York and one is Kate Spade New York Pop. The pink one is the pop. And then the other one. So they showed both pictures. Both of them smell nice. Really, they do smell nice. So I love my little paper ones that come in my altar magazine. Yeah. Now, last but not last, on the makeup section, I have two things. My Man Eater by Tarte mascara, dry to the bone. And when I tell you dry, it dry to the bone. I use it until it starts clumping. Then I know it's dry. So I did that. And then my eyeliner from Wet n Wild, I sharpened it until there was nothing left. Nothing. So I used it all up. And I have a backup right here. This is how long it came. And this is what I have left from the first one. This is what I've left from the first one. From this to this with nothing in it. Love using my products. That is everything I have for October empties. If you have products, please use them, rotate them until they are done. If you try them and they're not working, see if you can repurpose them for something else. The shampoo, I might use it to wash my makeup brushes, and the conditioners, I will give it to my sons. Thank you all again for watching. Always remember to keep shining as bright as you were made to be. And until I see you and you see me, keep praying. Keep praying. Times are hard. Don't stop praying. We all need it. See you shortly. Bye.